For 22 years, Nyaka has served southwest Uganda with a holistic approach. Starting with one school, Nyaka's education program now has 3 schools and over 800 students. Nyaka cultivates a network of grandmothers that receive support and care for orphan children, and now has 20,000 grandmothers and over 80,000 children. The grandmothers receive resources and microloans to enrich their lives and the lives of the children they raise. Nyaka provides a clean water system, community farm for food, and a health clinic that is open to the community. Nyaka has also started a program to combat sexual and gender-based violence. Nyaka opens healing centers in hospitals where survivors of abuse can find free medical treatment, counseling, and other support. Nyaka works toward prevention through community education and awareness exercises, the largest event being Nyaka's annual walk against sexual and gender-based violence. One of the most significant additions to Nyaka staff over recent years is our monitoring and evaluation team. The impact Nyaka has on the community has been apparent since its inception, but now we have numbers and statistics to track and share the impact Nyaka has. Here are some of our top data highlights from 2022. Since 2007, the Nyaka Grandmother Program has supported 254 grandmother groups across 3 districts, reaching a total of 20,066 grandmothers that care for 88,302 orphaned and vulnerable children. In 2022, Nyaka grandmothers had an average daily income of $2.67, which is a 2.5x increase from the baseline of $1.06. Uganda has a national average of 20 on the Grayman Progress Out of Poverty Index. The lower the number, the less poverty represented. Nyaka is at 17.9, an improvement from 34.2 in 2016. For every $40 invested in a grandmother-led household of 5 members, within 36 months Nyaka grandmothers averaged a 285% return on investment. Nyaka grandmothers averaged $462 earned within 36 months for every $40 invested. Between 2016 and 2022, Nyaka grandmothers have seen a 73% increase in annual agricultural production value. Nyaka grandmothers have seen a 145% increase in livestock asset value. There was a 358% increase in household income earned from labor employment. A 592% increase in business income and profit. This indicates substantial improvements in entrepreneurial activities. Nyaka tracked an 84% compliance and adoption rate of best farming practices, contributing to the success of the food security program. 2,492 women leaders have been trained and supported to lead grandmother groups. The well-being of the orphaned and vulnerable children that the grandmothers care for report an average of 84% on the well-being index, compared to 72% by their peers. Across Nyaka's 3 schools, we've seen a 98% learner retention rate. Nyaka schools have a 97% class attendance rate, compared to 81% at peer schools. Nyaka students show a 94% completion rate. And finally, our Nyaka students report 93% on the overall well-being index, compared to 74% at peer schools. Nyaka's success in enriching communities in rural Uganda is evident, and we will continue to pursue our mission of protecting and nurturing our children so they can learn, grow, and thrive.